Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm really sorry for taking too long to come back because I was not feeling well. So without any further ado, let's get started. In today's video, we'll talk about some important prepositions and its uses. Now, preposition is a word which tells us about the position of a noun or a pronoun in a sentence. Okay, so let's get started with some common preposition. Okay, the first common preposition is above, which means that it is used for something that is in higher place or position. The sun rose above the horizon. Across means from one side of a thing to another, matlab आर पार. There are many bridges across the Ganga. After, later than something or at a later time. After मतलब एक काम के बाद दूसरा काम करना या फिर एक टाइम के बाद जब दूसरा टाइम आएगा उसके बारे में बात हो रही है. Please see me after this period. Among, in the middle of more than two person or things. दो लोगों के बीच में या दो से ज़्यादा लोगों के बीच में. दो से ज़्यादा लोगों के बीच में यूज़ आता है among. ओके और बिटवीन यूज़ आता है दो लोगों के बीच में. सो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट दीज मैंगो अमंग दीज बॉयज. Between, in the middle of just two people or thing, that means that she stood between her husband and son, between two people, that is her husband and her son. Next, at. So what does at what are the uses of at? What are the different uses of at? Okay, let us see these following points. So firstly, it indicates the point of time in a clock. For example, the sun rose at 6 a.m. So you are indicating time using the word at. To indicate the place where someone or something was, it or will be. ऐसी चीज़ को इंडिकेट करता है कि कोई चीज़ या कोई इंसान उस वक्त उसने वो किया था, वहाँ पर वो मौजूद था, अभी है या रहेगा. Mr. Mohan is at his office. So it's telling about the location of Mr. Mohan. To express speed, rate of things or temperature. So for expressing speed, rate of things like money or temperature. She drove her car at 70 kilometers per hour. So it is telling about the speed. Next preposition is in. Before months, years or season. So you use in before months, years or season. For example, I was born in 2002. She was born in 2005. Before words like morning, evening and afternoon, you will use in. I shall go back to school in the morning. To express the state of things or person, or to express a location. Okay, to express a place. John is sleeping in his room. So what is his location? Room. So in his room. So the next preposition is to. To is used to express destination. Okay, the place that you have to go. We walk to the station. And it is also used with from in the sense of till. Okay, so she visited the town from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. instead of from 2 p.m. till 5 p.m. Before things or statements which we give or say to someone. Okay, the thing that you have given to somebody. Okay, or it can be a thing also. Mohan gave a book to me. So to here is a sense of belonging which is used to give something to the second person. On, before day and dates. Okay, so on is used before referring to days and dates, like he came here on Monday, on Saturday, on Friday. When something is above other things but their surfaces are in contact. तो जब एक के ऊपर दूसरी चीज़ रखी हुई है और दोनों के जो सरफेस हैं वो कांटेक्ट में है. द बुक इज़ ऑन द टेबल. जब बुक टेबल पर रखी हुई होती है तो वो जो टेबल का सर्फेस होता है, बुक का सर्फेस होता है, वो आपस में कांटेक्ट में होते हैं. When something is vertical, okay, अब यूज करते over. Over is used जब कोई चीज़ vertically आपके ऊपर होती है, above होती है. तो example, the sky is above our head. तो vertically it is above our heads. From one end to the another. Okay, एक छोर से दूसरी छोर. There was a bridge over the river. Okay, now we'll see the uses of off. To show the relation between two things, the legs of the table are broken. The legs of the table are broken. So it is showing the relation between things, leg and the chair. To show the relation between the cause and the result. For example, he died of cancer. She is ill of diabetes. To show reaction, to show relation between a thing or its material. Okay, so the chair is made of wood. The chair is made of wood. So made of wood is showing the relation of the material to its substance. Before age expression. Okay, while quoting the expression of age, you use the preposition of. She is a girl of 12. He is a boy of 15. So yes guys, that was all for the preposition part, where we have covered some common preposition that should be spoken in day-to-day life, replacing those common words that you speak, and if you want to learn interesting vocabulary words that will improve your English, you can see it from the description box below. So bye bye, love you all.